Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka touchline Northeast kan penlong ya kalempung ya lekai basketball balatip kum ka Northeast 3x3 challenge arajar arpaway arajar arpawar. Haga kat kendai bat arpaw Tarik Uleber St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Haga ne kalempung on kentop ya ka jingelek kai jongki shenrang bat kentai. Ka jella kan penmi kan huon kum basaw paw tali nalor ki wei pat ki club ki banwan ya shementa nakathan chatay lamingi kum na Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh bat ki wei. Ya kan ne kalempung on play de UMLA ka Mauplang constituency upa Eugene Son Lengdo.
La inilah dep ban ho se ka senior Northeast Zonal Championship ho na December de matang la ya amat pat sa ka format kata ka 3x3 challenge Northeast 3x3 challenge ka sports hu ka format ka juga basketball hu kemud kala approve ka FIBA ka BFI Basketball Federation of India wat ka juga puar kala long ka Olympic sports mentakin kasir ke Bandung bagi introduce ka format ka Tokyo Olympics ke Barcelona hapo Japan di haka bagi ka 6th edition baka touchline kala host ya ka format Andrews nem di nakalian ke MBA ni siya ka support haka liang jong di technical aspects di nrementa kasien nila ni syamba kani tournament ni hak ban recognize fully ka MBA di kumba pilai te ka touchline ke ka partner jong ka MBA di ni ag support ke ba pura ban ka juga puaro ni la yo ka approval na ka BFI pa kani kan long ka BFI approve challenge di mapil ni kan lang ni ro itan be samla kan thei pa la yo pan le kai ka kan san 3x3 BL badang long mentaro po Chandika di kani sien ke Bandung kong ba iplian ka state jongi hakalian ka basketball pani mi kani kan san kata kani ka top professional league apo India menta de ni so ni dapat ka jing so sarong ka nakalian ka association de ngatharai I yairiru insa share yaki experience ni kumno ka kalong kaman ka jing lecture is.
This is the formal announcement regarding our event, which is going to be held on the 19th and 20th of March, which is this Saturday and Sunday. So this is the first ever FIBA 3x3 endorsed event in the Northeast. We have technically coincided our launch with the Indian National 3x3 Basketball League's launch, which is going to be happening at the same time in Bangalore. So that is a 22-city league, which is being run by the Basketball Federation of India. Ours is a standalone event, but with 3x3 taking precedence in terms of basketball scenario right now, we look at this as a big opportunity for our players from the state to get ranking points. So with this tournament, all players have a FIBA 3x3 profile, and with every FIBA approved tournament that they play, players accumulate points. So this will be their first step into professional or semi-professional basketball. So these points will accumulate, and when they go and play the INBL in Guwahati, which is going to happen in the month of May, they'll be gathering more points. So the system now is that with FIBA is that the top 4 players in terms of ranking points get to represent the country at international competitions. It's not a matter of selection. It's actually the rankings point that counts. And this is where, with the NBA, we are looking forward to actually having more 3x3 tournaments in the state, where we can give our players the opportunity to gather those points so that they at least are competitive with the rest of the country. So that's something which is very encouraging from our point of view. Recent 3BL, she'll bring a lot of that knowledge back to our players as well. That what we require to do to get better as an organization, as players, as management. And I think this is something that hopefully brings a lot more interesting times for all of us in basketball in the state. It's all clubs actually, individual teams. They're not representing the state as such, but we have representation from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, and Nagaland as well. So Nagaland is actually sending across 2 girls teams. So those 2 girls teams would be their first time actually participating in a tournament outside the state of Nagaland. So, and that is a program that we were lucky enough through the MBA that we initiated last year along with Shillong Nabet, where we had gone for an exhibition tournament match. And what we did there was that actually we encouraged a lot of the younger kids to look beyond their own borders. So these 8 girls are coming down. So this will be their first trip to Shillong and their first professional or semi-professional experience in terms of basketball.